In front of me is FreeYond M6 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access system. Then select gestures. Tap on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Then make sure that pull screen into reach is on and scroll down from the bottom of your screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, you can't enable one-handed mode by tapping on this switcher. This one because it's unavailable. So instead, scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit got it, and to enter one-handed mode, click on the shortcut. You can go back by tapping on the same one again, by swiping up, or clicking on this area. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!